Back to another video on the Nortex Mining YouTube channel. A little bit of a different cadence here. I know the last update for mining HNT was at 15 months, but here we're just going to cut it at the end of the year for 2022 and start to go on I guess like a more quarterly update system. So I won't be doing updates for HNT mining every month. There'll be quarterly updates. So I think I counted this right. Yeah, that's a 17-month count. Okay, perfect. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. This, as you see in the title, this is 17 months of mining HNT Helium token, and what a ride it's been. I changed the heat map to just kind of show for 2022. I mean, 2021's kind of in and of itself its own different animal at this point. I mean, that was such a long time ago, and the numbers on the network were so different. And I mean, even in 2022, I mean, this is just kind of, there was still quite a bit of units coming online here in this first half, and then just things started dying down as the crypto winter set in, and there was just nothing really profitable to mine GPU wise, probably September onwards after the Ethereum merge. So miners are always going to be looking for things to mine that's profitable, right? And the price action of the token here in these last 3 months, I mean, it was nothing but down. Here's October, down. Here's November, big down. And December until this final capitulation here. Um, Actually, I'm not even sure if this is a capitulation here. I think it's just, people harvesting some losses and trying to save some money on taxes, which is something I did. But in the meantime, October, November, and December coming in at around 20 to 21, 22 HNT per month. I still have 3 that are offline. One is going to be relocated to a friend's house. This other one, my in-laws are moving home, so that one's kind of on the sidelines for now. And the third one had some water get into the external enclosure, so I got rid of that enclosure, that box, and this is actually a sense cap unit. And I dried that out, and it booted up and was working again. So I'm gonna need to redeploy that one. In the meantime, couple weeks of downtime here in December, but otherwise, solid performer here in the attic. Even on some first floor kind of upper shelf type things, um, are working okay here. About maybe even a little bit better because it's a less congested area than maybe say this one. It's outdoor on the third floor balcony, but the area is a lot more congested. So trying to optimize, and even the flagpole setups. Actually, I've only got one right now that's on a flagpole, but this one took a pretty big dive, and now it's kind of starting to come back up. The flagpole maintenance is something that I'll need to do another update video on and just kind of see how it's maintained itself, because these flagpoles were what deployed here, or sorry, here in December of 21. So there's some things I would change. There's some things I wouldn't about these flagpole setups. So I'll have to do another video to kind of walk you through exactly what's going on there. In the meantime, some minor adjustments like adding grounding planes to some of these indoor units have really helped. I mean, especially this one. So I'll do another video on grounding planes, and it's sort of a complex RF topic, but I'll try and make it as simple as possible for the average person to be able to understand kind of what's going on here with the grounding planes. But overall, I mean, not that shabby here for 7 miners. I mean, so on average, I'm really only doing maybe like 3 HNT per month per miner. Now, 2 of them are also mining mobile, So it's not just 3 HNT per month, but there's also mobile to consider here. But that's a different set of videos. If you want to check out those, I'll have a card to the latest mobile update in terms of my mining results. But yeah, this is a real look inside my little fleet here. Um, just want to give you guys more data points to kind of go by and see, what it really does look like to have 10 miners. I mean, it's tough. It's tough to keep them all online and all optimized. So, it's a lot of work, but definitely worth it. Um, All-time earnings look solid, but again, I mean, with the recent price dip, and I mean, this is not this is not even that much, right? It's kind of like, was this all worth it for 452 HNT? No, right? That the answer would be no, especially if you're looking here like at $1.50. That's, you know less than $1,000 gets you all 452 of these back, right? So in the monetary sense, has it been worth it? If you're just looking totals, you might think no. Um, but for me, this is not a 1 year or 2 year type thing. I mean, we're going to see where this goes over the course of many years. And, as you see in here, January, it's kind of already started to bounce back a little bit. But um, the vast majority of these gains from 2021, I mean, if the next bull run is anything like 2021, I think we're going to be a-okay. So that's basically the 17-month update. Mining Helium this last quarter, I've got about 21 HNT per month. So stay tuned for the first quarter of 2023 update. If you guys like this content, hit me with a subscribe. We're going for 300 subscribers. And give the video a thumbs up. That would be super helpful. And appreciate you guys just watching, and thanks for coming on this mining journey with me. And until the next bull market, keep those spirits high and keep your costs low, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.